everybody. Guess what? I've lost my drone again. And this time it's actually fallen in a swamp. It hit a tree. My drone hit a tree. Don't know how. Started flying away on its own. I'll show you the video footage later of what happened. But going back to get the drone now.
We're on a mission.
We're on a mission to Sheffield to get the drone back.
The drone decided not to fly but go down instead.
Yeah.
Decided to swim.
Decided to have a swim, but I realised you can't swim. So we're gonna go get it back. I think it's still where it is. So we're on the road.
On a nice, beautiful day.
On a nice, beautiful day again. Wow, look at the clouds. So bright. Look at the sky, it's so blue. So yeah, again Jav, my main man Jav here. Cameraman is gonna be filming.
Producer of the day.
Producer, director.
You name it, the lot.
Is going to be filming a search and rescue operation. What shall we call this operation? Operation...
Drone mission.
Drone mission.
Drone mission.
No, not drone mission. Something to do with the search and rescue. Operation...
Rescue.
Operation Rescue. Operation Rescue. I think of a good name. Can you guys think of a good name? Put it in the comments below. Yeah. But I think Operation Round 2, I think. Saving the crazy drone. I don't know why it keeps flying away. I don't know why. Okay. Catch you
Shortly. Wish us luck.
And
if not, I'm jumping in.
if not,
And I'm going to swim down there and get that drone of his.
yeah, but it's not an easy place to swim because it's swampland. So
Don't worry.
we've got the boat, we've got the ropes, we've got all
We've
the
got
gear.
the equipment, all we need.
Yeah, we've got everything ready.
So hopefully, we'll be flying too.
We'll be getting my baby back home in one piece, but covered in filthy mud, obviously. I think.
Right, so peeps,
Yeah. So
watch out for the
guys,
next video.
Yeah. So
In the meantime, you lot, wish us good luck.
yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yalla.
You got it? Yeah, very. Come on. Put you back now. Yeah, 1 sec. So we'll stop recording.
Found my drone. Got it back from the dead. I think it is dead. I think a week in rice might fix it. So I'll let you all know how we get along with it.
wasn't easy, almost drowned it. Okay, bye-bye. Mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Mission impossible became possible.
That's right. With the help of the drone, the rope and chav, and the net and the gloves, became fully prepared today. I've had to even come with clean socks. I feel I'm going to get wet, so I've got some spare socks, fully kind of wet.
Beautiful weather as well, as you can see. It is amazing.
Yeah, so anyway, I retrieved the drone now. I'm happy, but not so happy because it's wet. I'm going to put in some rice and see what happens, see if it starts up again.
We'll keep you updated.
Keep you up to date, and my advice to you all is don't fly over water, whatever you do.
Never.
Yeah, never fly a drone over water, because otherwise you're going to have to be, you know, contacting me, the man with the boat, come rescue your drone. I don't want to do that. You can do it, but I ain't doing that ever again. Yeah, these drones are just too expensive for what they are, and no thanks to DJI. You know, I've emailed them twice now. They didn't really get back to me about why this issue is happening. But yeah, you know, they want this evidence, that evidence, they want flight path, everything, blah 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 blah. You know, I'm gonna send them the flight path. For some reason the drone, like I say, went sideways, hit the tree, even Sensor even noticed the tree, but it didn't come back, it didn't even reverse on its own. So it just went haywire. So guys, I wouldn't trust these drones. For the price you pay, do not trust these drones. Anything can happen. So all I'm going to say is fly safe on above ground.
Sail safe.
Sail safe as well. When you come to rescue mission, you got to sail safe.
You got to hire them. He'll let you know how much his rates are.
You want to hire me out? No problem. Yeah. But nah, I don't want to rescue drones. I've had enough. You know, it's a bit risky. You know, when you go in the water trying to get a drone out of the water. There's murky water as well. I couldn't even see anything. It was all dark, pitch black. I saw it, and then all of a sudden the mud started to cloud all over the water. Then it just disappeared, and I had to guess. Put my hand in, I had to guess what it was, and I found something solid, and I just grabbed it, and luckily it was my drone. So yeah, I'm all wet. I'm gonna get dried out. Luckily, it's a sunny day today, so. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the day, and just can't wait to put this thing in some rice and see what happens.
You don't worry.
Yeah.
He'll get there. You don't worry.
Yeah. Anyway.
Any questions? Leave on comments.
Yeah. Any questions? Leave on the comments below. I'll answer them for you.
Yeah, I'll put a like on it. Don't worry.
You're gonna give me a like? Yeah. Okay. I'll give you some tips and advice on how not to lose your drone. I think I'm fully qualified now on how to guide people.
Yeah, it's simple. Don't fly over water.
Yeah, that's it really. Don't be stupid and flying. Or fly. Well, the drone should have handled it.
Yeah.
You know, at the end of the day. But it's technology. Technology always does fail, no matter how much you spend on it. So.
Catch up with you peeps soon.
All right. Yeah. Catch you all later. And
goodbye.
happy flying.
Sailing.
See you.